Hey guys, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Today we've got barbecued soy curls. Oh yeah. So what's a soy curl anyway? What do you do with them? Where do you get them? I thought we'd explore that today. So stay tuned. So what is a soy curl? Well, there's a company in Oregon called Butler Foods, and they invented what we now know as soy curls. They're simply whole soybeans that have been soaked overnight. They do cook them, kind of make a paste with them, and then push them through like one of those little Play-Doh toy tools to make the different shapes come out the other end, kind of like that, into these long strips, and then they're dried. It's the whole soybean, nothing less, nothing more, just soybean. And they're non-GMO, high in fiber, they have 0 sodium, and only 5 grams of fat per serving. But isn't soy bad for you? No, not at all. That is a myth. Asian countries have been eating soy products for thousands of years, and they don't have high rates of breast cancer or prostate cancer or man boobs. They're perfectly healthy. So there's nothing wrong with eating soy. So what's so great about them? Well, they do have a good amount of protein, and like I said, they have 0 sodium and very low fat. But a lot of people like them because it has the same texture as chicken. Seriously. And you can make so many recipes with them. Like this barbecue I'm making. All I did was put them in some water. You have to hydrate them because they are dry and crispy when you get them. And I like to flavor my water with soy sauce or maybe a little bouillon. Or if you like Marmite, that works really well too. That's what I like. I use Marmite. Just flavors the water and it imparts a little bit of that flavor to the soy curls because they're pretty bland without it. Then you drain them, get as much liquid as you can, get your hands in there and really squeeze them dry. And then you dice up some onion and some bell pepper, maybe a little poblano. Throw it all in a pan together. Let it get brown. And then just add your favorite barbecue sauce. It's really super easy to make this barbecue recipe and it tastes so good. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look like shredded chicken? Okay, Chuck, you sold me. So where do I get these soy curls? Can I get them in my grocery store? Probably not. They do have them at Whole Foods. If you have a Whole Foods nearby, they most certainly have them. But you can also order them directly from the company, butlerfoods.com, and links below. Same with the recipe. I'll have a link down below for that too. And you can also get them from Amazon. And I have my Amazon store, and I'll put that link down there too. Oh my god, guys, I wish you could smell this right now. It is so good. And by the way, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I'm using Stubbs because that's what I have here locally. And I like the sweet heat. I like a little bit of heat to my barbecue, but it is so good. Oh my god. Have you honestly heard where people think all we eat as vegans is grass and twigs and leaves and salad and sprouts? Are you kidding me? Seriously, look at this. I don't care if they're vegan or not. If you sat this down in front of anybody in your family, I bet you it'll disappear in a heartbeat. So at the very least, I hope this video makes you less afraid of trying soy curls. If you like old school southern comfort food, I have a chicken and dumpling recipe with these soy curls that you'll absolutely love. So if you like this type of content, if you like this video, at the very least, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff. And I will be back next week for another video. Until then, this is Chuck with Brand New Vegan. Thanks so much for watching.